Hi, this is Philip Pilkington, photographer. I'm just doing a review on the Aputure A.lav mic. You might be able to see it. I've got it just here. I normally would use a Rode Videomic Pro, but I thought I'd buy a lav mic and see what it's like and test it for you guys. So this is a Aputure A.lav mic. The reason why I went for that one was because of all the accessories you get with it, and you get this nice case as well. But let's have a closer look. Okay, so this is the box. Pretty simple packaging. Got a little security tag on there. So this is what's included. So you get the case, you get products manual, product manual later. Guarantee card. So the case, it looks pretty nice. It's got a kind of carbon fibre effect on it. It's got the indentation of the logo on there. But it's quite small. Feels good, feels well built. So this is the inside. It looks well presented on the inside. So it looks nice. Let's just get all the bits out. It's like a dead rat, but you know, in this case it's probably a dead mouse. Where's that in there? So it comes with quite a few different adapters. This is some tape that don't really know how I'll use that. So the inside of the case looks nice. I like the case. So I'll just put that to one side. So this is all the kit really. This is what you're after when you buy it. All these pieces. This is the actual lav mic with the clip, as you can see there. So doesn't say how long it is. Let's say on here. So the reason why I went for this kit is because I don't want any issues with my little mic, my lav mic. I don't want it to not work with something. I want all the adapters. So that's why I chose this over, say, the Rode Smart Lav Plus. And also the Smart Lav Plus is more expensive. So this is quite handy. It's got your in and your out. That's these headphones. So the lav, when this is unravelled, the lav will go in there. I've just seen a green light come on. And then this is your out. So whichever clip that you need at the time, you can just change and put in there. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to look for a app on my phone. Look for a sound recording app. So when you're looking for your apps, this is the sort of screen that comes up. I'm just going to choose the most popular one. So this is the interface you're looking at on this app. I'm just going to start recording and do a sound test. Test. This is Philip Pilkington, photographer, doing a sound test for the Aputure A.lav mic. So you get to choose your file name. I'm just going to say OK. And you can play it back to do a sound test, but you're going to have to unplug. If you're using a smartphone, you have to unplug the lav and you can press play, but I would actually then plug in my headphones just so you get that better sound quality to really check the sound. So I'll do it. When I press play now, I'll edit in the actual sound that I've just recorded so you can see what the sound quality is like compared to my normal mic, which is the Rode Videomic Pro. Test. This is Philip Pilkington, photographer, doing a sound test for the Aputure A.lav mic. So the reason why I went for this mic in particular, because they had other options, you know, Rode Smart Lav Plus is a really good option. The reason why I didn't go for it is because of cost, and the way I am going to use a lav, I'm not putting loads of importance on the sound quality of the lav, but I think this one, you know, I think it's going to do a good job. That's why I bought it, and it's less money, get lots of adapters and a nice case, so I just thought it's going to be the better one to try. I'm doing a test for you guys so that you guys can see what you think about it. But so far things look positive, and I like everything that's included in it. I personally don't know much about sound recording or sound quality, so I'm trying to learn more about it, and hopefully this lav is going to help me learn more about sound and how to get good sound quality, because it's so important for videos. But that's just my thoughts on it so far. I'll give you an update to see when I've actually gone through all the sound to see what it's like. But thanks for watching, and if you want to see more, check out my Instagram account. So it's just my name, Philip Pilkington. Check out my Twitter profile, Pilkington Photo, or just my website. This is just my name again, so it's philippilkington.com. But thanks for watching.